everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. So I am finally leaving my house, and I've been cooped up in this house for weeks. Like, I don't really go anywhere anymore because if you watched my last video, I did get surgery, so I've been recovering, and I'm just also busy throughout the week with classes or the courses that I'm taking, so I just cannot go anywhere. All my friends, or a lot of them, are obviously working or they're still in school. Like, there's just so many reasons why I've been very lonely, but I'm finally meeting up with my friend Alita today. I've had her in my videos maybe once or twice before, but she's one of my closest friends ever. Like, she was one of the first friends I made in college, and we're still so close till this day. So that's basically my sister. But yeah, we're having a picnic in Central Park today, so I'm really excited. Like, I actually woke up early. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do my makeup today. We're gonna have some fun with these hair clips, and you know, we're gonna have a good time today. So I'm really excited. I also picked out an outfit. I did my hair, of course. Like, I'm just so happy to leave this house, and the weather is still pretty nice in New York. Obviously, like, it doesn't really start getting cold till November or maybe late October, so we still have summer weather. Everything is great. So yeah, I'm gonna put a cute outfit on, get out, feel good, maybe take some pictures later. We'll see. So I also mentioned that I recently got a haircut, and it was really hard to make a ponytail. Yeah, like, the way she cut it, she did it in layers, which I actually love how it looks when it's in a fro, but when it's in a ponytail, it's really hard because the front makes it like super hard to put in a ponytail because it's shorter than the back. So I ended up buying like braiding hair, like the one that they use for butterfly locks, because I feel like it was the closest to the actual texture of my hair. And then yeah, like, I wrapped it up. Like, it took me so long. I don't even know if it looks good because I can't see the back of my head. Like, I just have to pray and assume that I don't look ridiculous walking through the streets of New York. But I'm just really happy that I actually got to make it even look like a ponytail though. But yeah, I don't know how good this looks. I don't know if I look ridiculous, but hopefully it worked out. So this is where I keep my jewelry. So I bought this from TJ Maxx last year, and it's like really heavy. It's this white and gold marble like jewelry holder. So I put my rings in it. It was $12.99, which is a great price. And yeah, I put like my rings, my hair clips, my hair ties, any kind of accessories that I want. So for the accessories of today, I really wanted to go with the cream color green kind of look. So I have this little cream color ring here, jade green ring here, and then I also have these dangle little jade green and gold like dangle earrings from Target. So don't sleep on Target, y'all. I went in a few weeks ago, and they actually have an amazing section for jewelry. You can find things as low as like $8, and it's just so many different like beautiful pieces, gold colored. Like, it's just a lot. The studs, like, they have a lot of great jewelry as well, so definitely check them out. So I already feel like I know what I want to wear. It's a dress that I wore one time this summer, never took a picture in it, only wore it once. It was like 2 months ago. So I feel like I want to wear it again before the summer ends. And of course, since getting my reduction, I really want to just try some of the clothes that I'm used to wearing and see like how I feel in it. Like, do I feel different? Do I look different? Of course I look different, but yeah, I'm just like really excited to start wearing the same clothes but in a different way. So this is the dress. I know it looks kind of confusing when it's not on, but it goes to about my knees, which I like, or like right above them, and then it has these cute little cutouts here, which I love, and then it also has like a wrap kind of detail like on your chest, which I also really like. The pocket here, the color of it is cute. Like, I really love this. I wish I got more use out of it this summer, but yeah, I only wore it once and never got a picture in it. And I'm thinking about wearing these sandals with it. The only issue is that my toes are not done. Like, I have not had my toes done in so long, and I just feel like they look atrocious right now. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but at the end of the day, no one in New York really cares how you look or what you're doing, so maybe I can get away with it for today. And you already know what bag I'm wearing. This was definitely the bag of the summer for me. Like, I want to find another bag for the fall. Wow, this is not coming out. But I love this bag. It just goes with everything. It's the perfect size. Like, I just love this bag. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna wear this. And yeah, I think this is gonna be the fit for today. Okay, this is not the world's best angle, but this is the outfit. I love how it fits on me. It fits definitely a lot better than it did before my reduction, because like up here would be so full, like it was really hard to like get it or even zip up the dress. But yeah, it looks so good. Let me give you a little twirl, and with a bag as well. Like, it looks so cute. It definitely goes well together, so I just love this outfit. And then for final touches, we're gonna go with these green glasses here because I feel like this will go really well with the dress. And then for the perfumes that I want to use today, I'm definitely going to use some Chloe because this was just like my classic scent. It has like a very fresh, rosy scent. You could wear it any day and it literally lasts days. Whenever I'm doing laundry, I know which day I wore this perfume or which outfit I wore it with because it still smells like the perfume. Like it is a very, very long lasting perfume. And I'm also going to lightly layer my new baby. This is the Killian Princess. I'm obsessed with this perfume. Like it just smells so good. I get so many compliments. I was using the travel size for a while, but then I saw that Sephora restocked it and the way I jumped on it, like I didn't even wait at all. So you definitely need to get your hands on this. So the notes are matcha, vanilla, ginger. Like I know it sounds a little weird, but when you smell it, it literally smells amazing. I cannot even explain to y'all how good this smells. Like you just have to get it for yourself. Even if you get a travel size, you will thank me later. Okay, sorry if you can hear my fan. It is just way too hot right now, but this is the final look. So you already saw the outfit, you saw the accessories, the hair. I just wanted to do like a get ready with me without all the boring parts. I mean, maybe it's not boring for you guys, but I figured since I'm always doing my makeup on this channel, it wouldn't make sense to keep doing that. So I wanted to focus more on outfit today. But yeah, I hope you like this little get ready with me. So my bus comes in a few minutes, so I have a little bit of time before I can leave the house. So I just finished packing my bag. So I carried my wallet, lip gloss, all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty much ready to go. I'm literally so excited. I don't know why I'm so excited to leave my house or do like something I've done a million times before, but I'm just so happy right now. What a hottie. Yeah.
Wait, how did you get away? Hey, I'm just trying to keep up with the pace now. Say, how did you get away? Now, babe, please don't push me away now. I wanna tell you I love you. I really wanna say that I want to go. I hate it when you hit me up, 'cause I should be giving up, 'cause I wanted again, yeah. But you wanna be friends. And I guess I'm just confused this time. What's new? And I guess I'm crying again, so blue. Yeah, I just want you to wait for me. Yeah, I really wanna be. I just really wanted to be with you. But wait, how did you get away? Now, hey, I'm just trying to keep up with the pace. Now, say, how did you get away? Now, babe, please don't push me away. Now. Last time we spoke, you told me karma's a thing. You had a lot of delusions, decided I was to blame. Got mad when we went our separate ways, wreaked havoc. Your ego was way too hard, you look shattered.
Hello everyone, so good morning. It is the next day. I was so tired yesterday, so I ended up not filming or not talking in the last part of the vlog. But yesterday was really fun. We had a picnic. We had to walk around a lot of Central Park to find a good spot because I think since it was a really nice day, there were just a lot of the good spots taken up. So yeah, we walked around, we ate some fruits, Chick-fil-A, we bought some juice from the store. So it was a very simple, affordable picnic. We didn't really do too much. We just really wanted to like talk and catch up and of course enjoy the beautiful weather. And then we took some Instagram pictures, and then after that I went to Magnolia Bakery because you know I love my banana pudding. I never go without, or I never leave that area without getting any. But of course Sundays are so busy for me, so I'm waking up now to do laundry. I also have to edit this video today, like the entire thing. I just have a lot to do, clean my room. Yeah, Sundays are just not that fun for me, so I'm gonna just end this video right now so I can have time to edit it. So I hope you really enjoyed it. It was very simple, not a lot going on, but I just really wanted to show that I was leaving my house after a long time. And yeah, I just really wanted to have a good last weekend of summer because I think fall starts this upcoming week, so this might have been the last weekend of summer, which I think is really nice because I'm glad I got to enjoy the nice weather and just, you know, end the summer off on a good note. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I post videos every Monday at 3 p.m. so please put the bell notification on so you can know whenever I post, and I hope that everyone is staying safe, taking care of their mental health, and I'll see you in the next video.